Welcome to the InvestEngine Robo-advisor review, usage experience. Links to InvestEngine can be found in the description below. InvestEngine is a UK-based robo-advisor offering a cost-effective and flexible way to invest in globally diversified portfolios of ETFs. It's designed for both beginner and intermediate investors who want a straightforward and affordable solution to grow their wealth without actively managing their investments. One of the standout features of InvestEngine is its dual approach. Users can choose between a managed portfolio, where InvestEngine automatically builds and manages a portfolio tailored to your risk profile, or a DIY portfolio, giving you full control to select ETFs while benefiting from fee-free investing. This makes it ideal for both hands-off investors and those who prefer a more active role in their investments. The managed portfolio service is highly competitive with no management fees, an impressive advantage compared to many robo-advisors. You only pay the underlying fund costs, which average about 0.25% annually. This low-cost model allows your money to work harder over the long term. Portfolios are diversified across asset classes and geographies, ensuring balanced exposure while aligning with your risk tolerance and financial goals. InvestEngine's intuitive platform is another highlight. The app and web dashboard provide clear insights into your portfolio performance, allocations, and potential future growth. Features like auto-invest and reinvestment of dividends make it a great choice for building wealth passively. Additionally, InvestEngine supports ISA and business accounts, offering tax-efficient options for individual and corporate investors. While InvestEngine excels in simplicity and affordability, it may not appeal to those looking for advanced features like financial planning tools or tax loss harvesting. However, for investors prioritizing low fees, flexibility, and a straightforward investing experience, InvestEngine is a compelling option. If InvestEngine sounds like the right fit for your investing needs, check out the links in the description to explore its features and start building your portfolio today.